Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog page link to your Shopify store's main navigation menu using DropInBlog. Once logged into your Shopify account, head on over to the menu on the left. Click on Apps, and the search bar drop-down will appear. Here, click on DropInBlog. Your DropInBlog account will be opened from within Shopify. On the menu on the left, under Apps, under DropInBlog, scroll down a bit and find and click on Settings. Once directed to the settings page, you'll find your blog URL. Copy your blog URL, as you'll need to add this to your new blog link in your navigation menu. Now, on the left menu, scroll up a bit to find Content and click on it. In the submenu, find and click on Menus. In the Menus page, click on Main Menu. Let's edit your main menu. Under Menu Items, click on Add Menu Item. Under Label, type in what you'd like to name your blog link. We'll type in blog for simplicity. Then, under Link, paste your blog URL that you copied earlier. Select your blog link, then scroll down a bit, and click on Save on the bottom right here. To view your blog and check out your new blog link in your navigation menu, on the left menu here, click on Sales Channels. The search bar dropdown will open. From here, click on Online Store. In the page that opens, click on View Your Store over here. Your store will open in a new tab, and there's your new blog link in your navigation menu. Click on it to check if it does indeed lead to your blog. Looking good. Let's click on one of the posts. Great, everything is appearing as it should. And that is how you add a blog page link to your Shopify store's main navigation menu using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!